Hello IG Garage family. Is your car throwing the P0042 error code and running rough? This issue can lead to poor fuel economy, rough idling and increased emissions, problems that could cost you big if left unchecked. In this video, we'll cover what P0042 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned, because ignoring this error could lead to expensive repairs down the road. What does P0042 mean? The P0042 code stands for O2 sensor signal swapped bank 2 sensor 1, bank 1 sensor 1. This indicates that the upstream oxygen sensors, those located before the catalytic converter, are either installed in the wrong bank or have their wiring swapped. As a result, the ECU receives incorrect air-fuel ratio data, causing performance issues and potentially harming your engine over time. Symptoms of P0042 include the following. First, the check engine light will be on. You might also experience rough idling and hesitation while driving. Poor fuel efficiency is another sign, and you could notice increased emissions. Lastly, there is the potential for failed emissions tests. Now let's talk about the common causes of P0042. First up, incorrect sensor installation. The sensors may have been installed in the wrong bank during maintenance or repairs. Next, swapped wiring connections. Mixing up the wiring connectors can easily confuse the ECU. Moving on to more causes. Damaged or faulty sensors can also be a culprit. A malfunctioning sensor might trigger incorrect readings. Then there are wiring harness issues. Look out for frayed or damaged wires near the exhaust manifold. And finally, ECU software glitches. Sometimes a simple update or reset can resolve the misinterpretation. Sensor location very important. Where are the O2 sensors located for P0042? Bank 1 sensor 1 location. Found upstream of the catalytic converter on bank 1. In 4-cylinder engines, bank 1 is typically on the side where cylinder 1 is located. In V6 and V8 engines, bank 1 is generally on the passenger side. Bank 2. Sensor 1 location, located upstream of the catalytic converter on bank 2. In V6 and V8 engines, bank 2 is usually on the driver's side. Wiring connectors. The sensor connectors are typically found near the exhaust manifold. It's crucial that these wiring harnesses are correctly connected and not crossed over. This mistake is often the culprit behind the P0042 code. Tip: always refer to your vehicle's repair manual to verify the exact sensor locations and wiring details for your specific make and model. Alright, let's dive into diagnosing and fixing the P0042 error code. First, you need to verify the sensor installation. Make sure that bank 1 sensor 1 is properly installed on bank 1, and bank 2 sensor 1 is on bank 2. It's crucial to get this right. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Take a close look at the O2 sensor wiring harnesses. Check for any signs of swapped, loose, or damaged connections. Sometimes it's just a simple wiring issue that can cause this error code, so be thorough in your inspection. Step 3. Test sensor functionality. Use an obd2 scanner to compare sensor readings between both banks. If the readings appear reversed, the sensors or wiring might be incorrectly installed. Step 4. Repair or replace. Correct any wiring issues, reinstall the sensors properly, or replace faulty sensors as needed. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, use your obd2 scanner to clear the P0042 code, then take your car for a test drive to ensure the fix is successful. So, that's everything you need to know about P0042 O2 sensor signal swapped, bank 2 sensor 1 and bank 1 sensor 1. If you're encountering this issue, start by checking your sensor installation and wiring connections. For more essential car fixes, check out these videos next. P0562, system voltage low, and P0481, cooling fan speed control circuit malfunction. If this video helped you, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.